Welcome to Cybercreed, where even the most outlandish tech announcements get a healthy dose of sarcasm and geek cred. Today, Microsoft has just dropped a bombshell that sounds straight out of a sci-fi B-movie. A quantum computing chip called Myeron. That's right, while everyone else is busy stressing over solids, liquids, gases, and plasma, Microsoft claims they've unlocked a totally new state of matter that could turn quantum computing from a temperamental experiment into an everyday miracle. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking, oh great, another Microsoft hype train, let's break it down. The Myer-on-1 chip isn't your basic quantum processor. Instead of fighting the age-old battle of qubit decoherence, imagine trying to keep a choir singing in perfect harmony during an earthquake. This chip uses an exotic subatomic particle known as the Myeron. In a twist that even quantum mechanics finds ironic, this particle is its very own antiparticle. No positive or negative baggage, just pure resilience against the environment's chaotic attempts to collapse its quantum state. So what makes this new approach so exciting? Traditional qubits are like fragile divas. They can represent both 1 and 0 at the same time. A superposition that gives quantum computers their edge, but the slightest environmental disturbance, or quantum decoherence in fancy terms, sends them into a full-blown panic, causing errors that can shatter computational dreams. Microsoft's Myeron-based design, on the other hand, is built from the ground up to fight off decoherence. By braiding and fusing these particles along nanowires engineered atom by atom, they've created a topological superconductor, or topoconductor, that in theory could pack up to millions of qubits onto a chip the size of your smartphone. Let's pause for a moment and reminisce about past Microsoft misadventures. I still shudder when I think back to upgrading from Windows XP to Windows Vista, a traumatic and yes, hilariously misguided turning point in my tech life that eventually led me to Linux. Now, Microsoft is parading Myer-on-1 like it's the next transistor breakthrough. If this chip isn't just another bout of corporate BS, it could be as revolutionary as the transistor itself, scaling quantum computing from a few erratic qubits to millions that might one day give us computers billions of times faster than today's tech. Imagine running Windows updates in seconds instead of hours, or simulating entire worlds of AI girlfriends without your computer throwing a tantrum. But hold on. There's even more delicious technical wizardry here. While rivals like Google, with its so-called Willow chip, and IBM are scrambling to refine their quantum approaches, Microsoft has taken the scenic route, investing in topological quantum computing. This means integrating error correction directly into the architecture, instead of patching it up later. Using materials like indium arsenide fused with aluminum, every nanowire on this chip is meticulously constructed to keep those precious quantum states stable. Sure, it has to be kept at near absolute zero, so pack your cryogenic gear, but if they can scale it up to millions of qubits, we're talking about solving problems in minutes that currently take classical computers ages, even unlocking new medicines, designing self-healing materials, or optimizing everything from climate models to our daily Windows updates. Now, before you start fantasizing about rewriting all your code from scratch for this brave new quantum world, let's take a moment to appreciate how monumental this could be. Quantum computing isn't just about making things faster, it's about transforming what's possible. Drug discovery, climate science, material design, and even resolving our ever-expanding trash problem. Yes, plastic-eating enzymes, anyone, could all see a quantum leap forward. But as always, only time and a lot more rigorous testing will tell if Myer-on-1 is the real deal or just another brilliant piece of Microsoft hyping. So, where does that leave us? Microsoft's Myer-on-1 could spark a quantum revolution or fizzle out as another overhyped breakthrough. We'll stay watchful and skeptical. Stay tuned to Cybercreed for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching. Keep your code clean and your qubits coherent.